So these here are the items that I bought from Blender Bottle on their Black Friday sale. The first two here are their 20-ounce sport mixers. I got the one in the pink and the one in the blue. I really like these, and they were $5 a piece, and I thought that was a really great deal. I like the smaller ones because I think they're perfect for doing my protein shakes. It's the perfect size. I usually do like 16 ounces of almond milk and then add my protein powder, so the 20-ounce bottles are just perfect for that. So I got one of each, and I'm really excited about that. And like I said, I thought that was a really great deal. Then I went ahead and I got this GoStak, also by Blender Bottle. Got it directly from their site. And on the back here, you can see how you can store like pre-portioned food or powders, and it all snaps together and it makes it just easy to take it on the go. So for me, I'm going to probably be using this like every day for lunch, for work, and just to have that. So I'm excited about that, and I will definitely get some good use out of it. There's that. And then this next item here was a mystery item where you can add it into your cart for $5, and they don't tell you what it is. It could be like one of these, or it could be a Blender bottle. And I figured for $5, I wanted to, see what I would get. And I really like it. It's the larger Blender bottle, and I think that's a really great deal for the item. And I love the color. I love the black with the pink accent. So, and of course it's great quality. I'm always a fan of their product. So I think it was a really good deal. And very happy overall with this purchase. It was $20 for all 4 of them. So I'm gonna definitely get some good use out of it, and like I said, very happy with it.